the only humane thing to do. We came over to the deep grass and sorry, little birdie. We didn't mean to hurt you.
Poor baby.
So here we are, Toyota takeover, Silver Lake Sand Dunes, August 7th, 2021. And there's a couple Toyotas here. A lot of really, really nice looking equipment. So, we got in line out on Fox Road. Took us a minute to get into the parking lot, but we're in here. Can't wait to play around a little bit.
Oh, I forgot we're full blown like overlander, like dude, dragging out with the tent on the top and everything.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we got like an extra 250 pounds on the roof, at least, if not more.
Oh man.
I'll keep it on forever. So they tried tugging on him about 4 times. The old Cherokee's even deeper than he was when he started. Now it's in reverse, so it's digging itself a hole while this guy's standing outside on the roof of his truck.
Go! Holy shit! He's in there! Move over one rut and give it one more.
I don't want the kids in here.
You want to try to pull him forward instead? Brace up.
So Ben's got a trophy, not the kind of trophy you want. The Jeep's still stuck. Meanwhile,
hey everyone! Come and see how good I look!
camping in the rooftop tent in this thunderstorm maybe isn't such a great idea, period. How do we keep getting ourselves into this? of our experiences. So the tent almost getting blown off the roof, and we were just joking that they said the winds were like, you know, 40-mile-an-hour gusts or so. And
we were gonna die.
I said that I knew that we at least know we're good for 40-mile-an-hour winds. And what did you say?
I said, well, 42 would have been the breaking point. Then could have maybe done 2 more miles an hour, but we were gonna die.
Yeah. So Whitney ended up climbing out of the tent and getting into the 4Runner for a little bit because she was thoroughly convinced that the tent was going to blow right off the roof of the truck.
Or pick the truck up and move it.
Or take the truck with it. So there was like the people that were camping next to us with their travel trailer. Somewhere around 12:30, 1 o'clock in the morning, I heard the distinct sound of a coil spring unwinding at full force, that kind of twing sound, and so I knew that their awning had gotten ripped off there in the middle of the night. And sure enough, we got up this morning and it was gone. It wasn't even there. So, and there was another couple Whitney ran into that said their tent collapsed under the rain in the night. And so yeah, it was 2 outings in a row that the old Smitty-built tent has gotten an extreme durability test in 40-mile-an-hour winds and extreme rains. And so far,
1 broken pipe.
1 broken pipe, the little one that goes out and holds over the ladder. And we tried using it this weekend with my PEX tubing sleeve over it, and it got broke again. But I guess the tent otherwise was still up there. Can't find any rips or tears. We didn't get wet. We were high and dry. So it was a little noisy. It was a little
lot noisy
there for a minute,
yeah,
but
scary.
But we're all alive and well, and
no trees fell on us, which was a good thing.
Yeah, no trees fell on us. So made a couple of pit stops along our way home. Had to reward the girls for being, you know, tough and camping in the rain. So we stopped in Grand Rapids and did a little shopping for a minute.
He makes it sound like he wasn't scared at all. It's not all us girls. Don't let him lie to you.
So, no, it's been another good weekend. So next weekend we're still just talking about it here now, but we're actually going to go. It's our wedding anniversary, 22 years that she's put up with me and hasn't smothered me with a pillow yet. So we're going to go down to Hocking Hills State Park in Ohio and check that out. So that should be super cool. But I think her sister's coming with us, so we're probably not going to be tenting if we can help it. We're probably going to look for some sort of solid.
No, we need a break from the storm to the tent.
So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you guys like it. Traffic headed south is just, every time you can see it, it's just bumper to bumper, and they're all at a crawl. And we're up around exit 125 headed northbound, and the southbound traffic has been like that ever. What do you think? Cold. It is pretty cold. What's swimming right here? Look at, or is there something under the water maybe?
Yeah, it's a stick.
No. We've talked about pulling off here like every time we ever come north, but we're always wanting to just get home, so we've never done it. But this is like the roadside park that is kind of just north of Cadillac, right on the side of 131. And we walk down to the river, Manistee River, and it is cold, but didn't even realize there's a little boat launch here. Kind of neat. And we're home. We fit a lot of stuff into our 28 hours we've been away from the house. Left yesterday morning at a little after 8 o'clock. We're getting home today a little after 4 o'clock. We did a lot of things in between there. First things first, Oliver kisses.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah. Somebody's excited for us to be home. Next thing is unloading this car and cleaning it. Oh, it's gross. It's trashed.
Bad.
I gotta flip that tent up and air it out.
Got sand all over inside my car.
Yay.